Okay, so good day ladies and gentlemen. I'm Charles, the sales manager of K Hair Factory, and today we are having again the part 2 of unboxing Chinese hair order that I recently just ordered from a different and a very famous hair company from China. Okay, so let me unbox it. Okay. So first of all, I would like for all of you to see that this is the package shipped by FedEx from China, and you can still see the shipping information here. It's from China. So let me unpack it right now. Like I have done the previous video about like unboxing, but that was just only one hair bundle. That was just only one hair bundle of the water wavy hair. But today we're talking about a different kind of order, that is having a lot more hair. So the cameraman will cover the name of the brand of the company, so I don't want to have any trouble. Okay, so here we are having a very nice box from a Chinese hair supplier. So now we're gonna open it. Wow, it's very nice. So I bought in total of about like 1 week's one bundle and one closure. So they are giving me a lot of gifts. So this one is the brand of the company, coupons, discounts. Very nice, very nice. And the next one we're having here is the gifts. Also, they were like the former company that I bought from, but they are giving me more gifts. We're always having the eyelashes. This one here is the earrings. Okay, earrings, really nice. What are we having here? Okay, so the headband for you to wear the wigs on head, and also this one is the piece of the lace wig caps. Okay, I'm gonna unbox it later. Thank you. Like, there's something that I really like about the Chinese hair suppliers, that they are providing the services. Like their quality of the service is very nice. Okay, now come to the most important part of this video. I'm gonna unbox the hair of the Chinese hair supplier. So the first thing that we're talking about is the wig. So I have purchased the 13x4 HD lace wigs, just to see the quality. All right. So this one is the wigs that I bought from China. I was expecting that it can be longer. So at the first touch, I can see that the textures is very, it's not too dry, it's touchable, and I think it's smooth. I think it's quite smooth. It's quite smooth to be bought. Okay, so let me try to brush it with the comb. So I'm trying to brush the hair here. Like it actually is quite easy to brush, but like, you know, after brushing for a few times, I can see that it's still they are having shedding. You can see it. You can see here. They're having shedding. So I don't know how much are they going to shed. So I'm gonna continue brushing until it stops shedding. Okay, so like, you know, after continue brushing, it still continue to falls and breaking, but hopefully that this condition will end after, you know, the customer wash the hair and, like, you know, condition the hair with hair conditioner. But I think that the shedding is quite minimum. So the lace here, you can see this one is the 13x4 full lace wigs, and they are offering the HD lace. I can see this kind of HD lace is not so different from, from our medium brow lace from Vietnamese, from the Vietnamese suppliers. Like most of my customers, they were saying that the Chinese hair supplier were having some other kind of HD lace, but this is the HD lace that I bought from them, and it doesn't look like quite different from our medium brown. Okay, so one impressive thing is that they are having really nice hairlines, natural hairlines, baby hairlines. That's very great. Okay, so let me try to put it on head. I think that it can be suitable for me. Okay. Okay, so this is the result. So this is the wigs on head. Okay, so I can feel that it's quite fit. It can fit my head. Let's see, do I look nice on this? Okay, so done for the wig testing, and I will be back for the washing procedure so that we can know if this one can last long or not. And the next one that I would like to check is the closure. This one is the 4x4 lace closure and the medium brown. So this one is the closure from China. I bought this one for about like $70. Okay, so at first touch I can see the hair is quite soft. It's very soft at first touch, but whoa. What are we having here? The closures, they're shedding a lot, like you see. Only after a few brush. Like I cannot understand this. Why they just like keep falling that a lot. I don't understand. Okay, so like let me try to brush it with the comb. Okay, so after my brushing, so this is the amount of the fallen hair of the closures. Like I cannot believe it. Let's see, the top is here. It just fall out. It just like fall out, and still continue to give out minimum shedding. The touch is quite soft, but I'm not expecting that it's going to shed like this. Okay, so the lace is all folded. The lace are all folded, and the parting here is quite clear too. And the amount of the short hair on the Chinese closure is also very minimum, but they are still, of course, adding some short hair here, about like 2 to 3 inches. This one is not too impressive to me. I only like the highlights, but not okay with the shedding. And the final one, it's the natural straight hair. It's the natural straight hair bundle that we are all expecting about. So the cost of this one is from about, I don't know, I remember that was for about like more than $70. Also more than $70. Okay, so I'm gonna cut the tag off. Okay, so this is what they were calling the Mongolian hair. The Mongolian hair that I bought from China. So the weft here I can see is carefully tied. It's carefully wefted. And the bundles, they only have 1 grade. At first touch you can see it's very smooth. Like the fullness of it, it's not very impressive. It's like the singletron of our hair. But I think that maybe the customers, they were expecting for some kind of virgin hair that is coming from one head. So definitely the tail will be thin. You see, just like singletron. The amount of short hair, of course. So this one is maybe the natural hair. So the amount of short hair is quite huge. It's quite big. See it here. Well, I think that to know the real quality of the straight hair of Nice hair of this supplier, of this supplier will need to, you know, dye the hair, bleach the hair, or try to apply the curly heat on it to really actually know the quality. But I can see that at first touch, I can feel the softness. And the shedding is not here. But there's something that I don't like is that the tail is very thin, and most of my African countries, the African customers, they don't like this tail. They don't like this kind of tail, and also the short hair much. Okay, so I think that is the end of my video. I have done unboxing all type of products from the Chinese hair, but in my conclusion, I can see that many of my customers, they were saying not so good thing about the Chinese hair suppliers. At the moment, I have checked their quality. I can see that maybe they are having something right. The customers, they were having something right. The quality is not too expressive, is not too impressive, but sometimes the shedding problems and also the problem of the long-term using is something that I think that we need time to to prove the real quality of the hair, not just unboxing or anything. So do you have any opinions? Please comment down below. Thank you for watching.